Goodbye swelling. 7 collagen-rich foods you must eat for your legs and joints. Come on, I told you. If your knees creak like haunted floorboards, it's not just old age. It's your collagen scaffolding collapsing, and no one told you how to rebuild it. Here's the truth Big Pharma hopes you never Google. Your joints aren't just aging. They're starving for real, usable collagen that rebuilds cartilage, reduces swelling, and eases bone-on-bone pain. In this video, I'll break down 7 collagen-rich science-backed foods that can do more for your joints than a shelf full of supplements. From egg whites that rebuild the chicken skin that heals, bone broth that lubricates, and the one fruit that shields your collagen like it's in witness protection. You'll also learn what's destroying your collagen, how to activate your body's collagen production, and the everyday habit quietly wrecking your joints. This isn't hype. It's real science with a clear plan for lasting joint health. Stick around to the end. The last food is something you likely throw out, and it might be the key to saving your knees. If you're ready to reclaim your mobility, like this video, share it with someone told pain is just aging, and subscribe for more science-backed strategies to take control of your health. 1. Egg whites. Nature's collagen blueprints. Egg whites aren't just for gym rats and bland omelets. They're biochemical gold, packed with glycine and proline. These 2 amino acids are like the concrete and steel in your body's joint architecture. In fact, a peer-reviewed study showed that older adults with higher glycine intake had significantly lower levels of C-reactive protein, the inflammation marker your doctor never shuts up about. Scrambled, poached, or baked into your sad muffin, egg whites build the scaffolding your cartilage needs. Pro tip: pair with bell peppers or citrus to activate collagen synthesis, like flipping the on switch at a construction site. 2. Chicken skin, crispy, crunchy, cartilage care. Confession time. Chicken skin isn't a guilty pleasure. It's joint therapy in disguise. Underneath that crispy bite is a rich supply of type 2 collagen, the exact type your body uses to rebuild cartilage. One clinical trial found that patients with osteoarthritis who took type 2 collagen daily saw reduced pain and better mobility in just 90 days. So next time someone gives you side-eye for leaving the skin on, just say, "I'm not cheating. I'm rehabbing my knees." But don't deep fry it into a crime scene. Roast it, bake it, or air fry with love. 3. Pork rinds. Crunchy snacks, collagen hacks. Pork rinds, the snack aisle's least expected health hero. Turns out they're made from pig skin, aka a collagen-dense matrix of amino acids like hydroxyproline and glycine. Japanese researchers found that pork skin collagen improved knee flexibility and reduced joint pain in postmenopausal women. Translation: Grandma's crunchy snack may be doing more for her joints than her glucosamine pills. Just chill on the salt, drink plenty of water, and no, dipping them in queso is not FDA-approved therapy. 4. Beef, the collagen king with iron muscle. Beef isn't just protein. It's a collagen delivery system packed with zinc, iron, and amino acids your joints crave. Zinc and iron aren't optional extras. They're the enzymes your body uses to assemble collagen, like a molecular IKEA set. A 2020 study in Nutrients found that older adults with higher red meat intake had stronger connective tissue and less inflammation. So skip the bologna and say yes to that grass-fed sirloin. Your knees will thank you. 5. Salmon skin, marine Botox for your joints. Most people toss salmon skin like it's a napkin, but inside that crispy strip is type 1 marine collagen, a fast-absorbing, inflammation-killing machine. Studies from marine drugs found that fish skin collagen improved knee pain and leg function in just 3 weeks. That's faster than your HMO can schedule a follow-up. Bonus: omega-3s in salmon skin act like fire extinguishers for inflammation. So grill it, crisp it, honor it. Don't waste it. 6. Bone broth, liquid ligament elixir. Bone broth is the slow-cooked truth your joints have been waiting for. Made from simmered bones and joints, it's loaded with gelatin, glycine, proline, and glutamine, basically a drinkable body repair kit. One study in Current Medical Research and Opinion found that seniors drinking bone broth regularly had better joint function and less pain. But don't cheat with sodium bombs and cartons. Make it yourself. Bones, vinegar, water, time. That's not cooking. That's orthopedic alchemy. 7. Blueberries. Tiny berries, big protection. Blueberries don't make collagen. They protect it like little antioxidants in Kevlar. Anthocyanins inside blueberries are molecular bouncers. They block the oxidative stress that breaks collagen down. One 2019 study from the Journals of Gerontology found that seniors who ate blueberries daily had better leg strength and mobility. So toss them in oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. You're not just adding flavor. You're adding years of mobility. Pattern break. Collagen killers to avoid. You can eat all the bone broth on earth, but if you're still doing this stuff, you're canceling out the benefits. Sugar makes your collagen stiff, brittle, and basically useless. Smoking burns through collagen faster than it kills your social life. Sun, UV light breaks down collagen like acid rain on a sculpture. Stress, cortisol hijacks collagen production like a hostile takeover. And don't forget vitamin C. No C, no collagen party. Bell peppers, oranges, broccoli. Load up. It's the ignition key to your internal repair system. Movement, your collagen multiplier. Collagen isn't a passive miracle. It's an active responder. The more you move, the more your body produces. So walk, stretch, swim, do Tai Chi with Edna down the block. Anything but sit, because the worst thing for your joints is not using them. Collagen recap. Stick this on your fridge. Egg whites equals glycine plus proline equals foundation. Chicken skin equals type 2 collagen equals cartilage savior. Pork rinds equals crunchy collagen hits equals snack smart. Beef equals collagen plus zinc plus iron equals build and repair. Salmon skin equals marine collagen plus omega 3s equals fast absorption. Bone broth equals liquid gold equals joint rebuilder. Blueberries equals antioxidant shield equals preservation power. Which of these are already in your fridge? Or which one are you willing to try? Drop it in the comments. Hit like if your joints crack louder than your favorite playlist. Share this with someone who thinks collagen comes in a $60 tub. Subscribe for more myth-busting science, joint-saving tips, and senior strength secrets. Because aging isn't the end, it's the upgrade.